Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to join Discord server without invite. So first of all, open your Discord and click on explore public servers, and you can search for a particular server by using this search box. For example, I want to join this official Fortnite server, so I'm gonna clicking on it and select an option from here and click on join official Fortnite. Click on complete, check this option and click on submit. And this was the first way to join to a server without invite link. And the second method is open a new tab and type here top.gg, and from this website you can explore millions of Discord bots and servers. You can search for a particular bot here. For example, I want to join this Counterbot, so I'm going to click on invite and selecting my server here, continue, authorize, and I'm gonna opening my server, and as you can see, Counterbot has been successfully added. So that's how you can join to a server without invite. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.